Hey guys, Teemingjoker here, bringing another class setup guide. Today we're going to go over the ABR, and as you can see, I've gotten high enough in the black tier market to where I can get this airplane ABR skin, which is pretty sweet. Anyway, the class setup I'm running is the ELO stock, extended mags, and the operator mod. This is one of the guns that I definitely think this gun's not good unless you have it on here. If you want to know what it does real quick, is advanced auto burst mechanism allows each successive burst to fire with a shorter delay as the trigger is held down. Okay, so you'll see it in the gameplays, but just to explain it really quick, it's full auto, basically it's burst gun, but you just hold down the trigger. The reason for the extended mags goes along with this in regards to as more burst are shot, the faster it fires, so less delay between each burst, which becomes amazing, and I have some of the footage in this gameplay shows it being utilized. I am running scavenger and dexterity. You can switch out dexterity for gung-ho, lightweight, whatever you feel, or go over to dead silence. I like the stock. I've always run the stock. Extended mags, as I mentioned before, is pretty much used for the fact that I got this operator mod, makes it so it has more bullets firing at that faster fire rate, which is really useful. But hope you enjoy the video, and let me know what you think.